Welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial, we'll show you how to create custom icons in Figma. Custom icons can give your projects a unique touch and perfectly align with your design style. So let's get started. First, let's set up our workspace. Open Figma and create a new file. Then create an artboard by selecting the frame tool and choosing a size that works for you. A 24 by 24 pixel frame is a standard size for icons, but you can choose any size you prefer. Icons often start with basic shapes. So let's create a simple house icon using rectangles and triangles. So here I'm going to click on or tap on R button on my keyboard to use the rectangle tool. So here I'm going to place it on the center position, and then I'm going to create another shape, which is the triangle or the polygon. So I'm going to select again the shape right here and select the polygon shape. And basically I'm going to create that triangle shape to create a house icon. So align a position to the shapes to form a cohesive icon. Now to create more complex icons, you can combine and subtract shapes using the Boolean operations right here. So click on this union selection from the top toolbar, and to subtract a shape, select subtract selection, and these operations help you create intricate designs. Now we can use another tool, which is the pen tool. It is perfect for creating custom shapes and detailed icons. So you can select the pen tool and click to create points, click and drag to create curves, and then close the shape by clicking the first point. So use the pen tool to draw custom elements and add unique details to your icons. Now once you've created your icon, it's important to refine and align the elements. Use the align tools in the top toolbar to center and distribute elements evenly. Adjust the size and position of shapes to ensure your icon looks polished and balanced. Now let's add a colors and a style to our icon. I'm going to select the shapes, and I'm going to choose to fill color from the right sidebar. And here you can also add stroke, shadows, and other effects to enhance your icon. And use a consistent style to ensure your icons look cohesive in your design. So here, as you can see, I'm creating my own design or logo design. So basically, this will be like a sample. So you can create your own depending on your preference. So after you finish your icon, it's time to export it. So basically, just have to select the whole frame or the icon elements, and then you just have to click on export in the right sidebar. Right, for example here, and then at the bottom right of the sidebar, you can find the export button. You can click on the plus icon right here, and you can choose your desired format, either PNG, JPG, SVG, or PDF. And then just have to set the export size and click on the export button. So your custom icon is now ready to use in your projects. So make sure that you keep it simple, maintain consistency, and test at different sizes to basically create a stunning logo or icons in Figma. And that's it. That's how you basically create custom icons in Figma. So if you find this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more designs, tips, and tutorials. So thank you for watching, and again, see you on the next video.